The Terracotta Army, a monumental symbol of ancient China, stands as a testament to the glory and ambition of the Qin dynasty. Its discovery unveils the brilliance and wisdom of ancient China while showcasing the might and vision of the Qin dynasty. In this video, we delve into how the Terracotta Army reflects the authority and ambition of the Qin dynasty. Part 1. Scale and precision of the Terracotta Army. As a component of the Qin Shi Huang's mausoleum, the Terracotta Army's colossal scale is awe-inspiring. With thousands of terracotta sculptures meticulously crafted, each one represents the military prowess and artisanal excellence of ancient China. Part 2. Military significance and strategic layout of the Terracotta Army. The Terracotta Army is not just an artistic marvel, but also a symbol of the unification and consolidation of power under the Qin dynasty. Its strategic arrangement reflects the unified ideology and military strategy of Qin Shi Huang, providing a glimpse into the military strength and strategic planning of the Qin dynasty era. Part 3. Political symbolism and national unification of the Terracotta Army. The discovery of the Terracotta Army exemplifies the grandeur and authority of the Qin dynasty, while also bearing witness to Qin Shi Huang's pursuit of national unity. As a testament to the unification of 6 states and the realization of one empire under heaven, the Terracotta Army adds a profound chapter to the glorious history of the Qin dynasty. Conclusion: the Terracotta Army stands as a monumental symbol of ancient China and the Qin dynasty. Through this video, we gain insights into how the Terracotta Army reflects the authority and ambition of the Qin dynasty, presenting viewers with a magnificent portrayal of the Qin dynasty era.